Well, a cooling revolution could be on the horizon, and it's being developed in a lab in the UK. Scientists there are working on a new type of solid refrigerant that could replace harmful greenhouse gases used in traditional air conditioners and can dramatically reduce emissions worldwide. It may look like nothing more than soft, waxy material, but this is the so-called solid refrigerant. It could be the future of air conditioning. Researchers at the University of Cambridge say the material can change temperature by more than 50 degrees Celsius when compressed without leaking harmful gases. Professor Xavier Moya and his team have spent 15 years testing the material, which uses what's known as the barochloric effect, which when pressure is applied, the molecules stop spinning and release heat. When the pressure is removed, the substance cools, chilling its surroundings.
What we are doing is replacing that gas by a solid material that does the same job, but has the benefit of being solid, which means that it's not going to leak to the environment and it's not going to contribute to the global warming effect.
Air conditioners are used in over 2 billion homes and offices across the globe, and that number is set to soar as temperatures rise. But their environmental cost is growing as well, with energy consumption and refrigerant gas leaks contributing heavily to global emissions. Moya startup Borocal has built a working prototype. It is the size of a large suitcase and still a bit noisy, but it chills a fridge full of soda with no gases involved. The company hopes to bring the product to market within 3 years.
We're seeing that global demand for cooling actually is going to quadruple in the next 25 years. So if we want to upkeep with that demand, we need a lot more sustainable and efficient technologies, because otherwise we're going to get in this kind of vicious cycle, right, where the more we cool ourselves, the more we're heating the planet, and so this sort of worsens the problem as we go on. So there's really urgency now to bring more efficient cooling solutions to the market.
Now, backed by the European Innovation Council and Breakthrough Energy, a clean tech initiative founded by Bill Gates, Borocal says this technology can slash emissions from cooling systems by as much as 75%. And the goal? Well, a cleaner, quieter, and eventually a cheaper alternative to gas-based air conditioners with the potential to transform global cooling technology.